Yeah, hi, I'm going to show you how to play a C flat chord on your piano, a C flat major in fact. Now please notice that due to the location on the keyboard making this note C flat, that we don't have a black key to flatten it with, right? So to make a C flat, you just move your finger one key down, and this key will also be white. And this key is in fact the key B, making the C flat major chord exactly the same as a B major chord. Okay, let's just start with a normal C chord like this. If you want to flatten this chord, we have to move all the notes half a step down or one semitone down on the piano, right? So flattening the C, move it down one key. This is called C flat. Moving this half a note down, it's called E flat. And this one is called G flat. So there you have it, the G flat major chord. And it's exactly the same as a B major chord. All right? Now, because the C flat major chord is in fact a 3-note chord, you can also have what's known as 3 inversions of the chord. This inversion is called the root note inversion or the root inversion because you have the root note C flat at the bottom. To make the next inversion, you simply move the bottom note of the chord, C flat, all the way to the top, like this, and you move your hand. This is called C flat first inversion. To make the next inversion, you move the bottom note, this time E flat, to the top of the chord, like this. Move your hand. This is called C flat second inversion. Now you'll notice if we make one more inversion, moving the bottom note to the top, and move your hand like this, you will in fact be back at the root position with the C flat at the bottom. So this is C flat root position, just as this one we started with. Okay? C flat root position. So of course you can also go backwards down the piano. So now we have C flat root position. Now we move the top note to the bottom. Move your hand. So this is C flat second inversion. One more inversion, top note to the bottom. Move your hand. C flat first inversion. And one more time, top note to the bottom. C flat root inversion. Okay? Let's just do it one more time. Root inversion. First inversion. Second inversion. Third inversion. No, sorry, root inversion again. Okay? And the other way, top note to the bottom. Second inversion. Top note to the bottom. First inversion. Top note to the bottom. Root inversion. Okay? Now to practice these inversions, simply do like this. Root, first, second, root, root, second, first, root. And lastly, I'm going to show you how you can practice these inversions using arpeggios. Do like this. So there you have it, the C flat major chord. So I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. To we want more free piano chord stuff. How about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course? Or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordcharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.